scratches like a chicken. See? I don't know why she does this every time she gets grass or wheatgrass or some kind of greens. Hey. Hey, soybean. Go get some. Be a little chicken. See? Are you all done with it? Not yummy stuff. I've got wheatgrass today. Let's see, P-Wise likes it. And coconut. And sweetened shaved coconut. Oh, maybe she'll do it again. Oh, Sorby, you're so funny. Be nice, Sorby. Can you go over to the other side? Thank you. You're so funny. Oh, she might be done. Hey, Doorbeen. Hey. Alright, everybody. I think she's done scratching like a little chicken. Oh, maybe not. Hold on. Nope. Yep, she's done. Bye, everyone.